Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam Error Code 5 in a quick and easy way so you can launch and play your games without any issues. This error usually happens due to corrupted game files or permission problems on your system. First, restart your computer and relaunch Steam to clear any temporary glitches. Next, go to your Steam library, right-click the game showing the error, select Properties, then go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will fix any missing or corrupted files. After that, try running Steam as administrator to avoid permission-related issues. You should also check your antivirus or firewall and temporarily disable them to see if they are blocking Steam. If it works, add Steam as an exception. Another helpful step is to make sure your game and Steam client are both updated to the latest version. Finally, ensure your game is installed properly and reinstall it if needed. After following these steps, Error Code 5 should be resolved and your game should run normally again. Subscribe the channel for more videos.